Limitations in appointing arbitrators may be imposed on the number of arbitrators and/or the appointment procedure. Recall the model law's explanatory notes. Arbitrator appointment should be subject to the requirements of fairness and justice, as well as the urgency of establishing an arbitral tribunal. Indeed, party autonomy is not and should not be unlimited. The parties may agree on any qualifications for their arbitrators, which usually concern nationality, language proficiency, specific expertise or experience, and accreditation such as CIARB and BIAMC. However, there is a recommendation for objectively verifiable standard, together with a caution against excessive requirements.
When we're talking about scope of the arbitration clause, what is the core issue in front of us? The core issue is, does the clause merely provide for contractual claims, or might it also encompass non-contractual claims? For example, claims under the law of torts. And this is again something that you probably know. Your words in the arbitration clause matter, and they matter significantly. Just to give you an example here, you see in front of you two different examples. Example one, the clause tells us any dispute arising out of or related to this agreement shall be resolved by arbitration. The clause goes on and on and on, right? Focus on the words arising out of or related to this agreement.
Nationality of a person does not preclude them from acting as arbitrator in any arbitration proceedings unless the parties decide otherwise. This is in Article 11 sub 1 of the model law. You will remember that when I gave you the articles to pay attention to or to commit to memory so as to remember what the grounds for challenge are, I mentioned Article 12 and 13 of the Austro model law, but also went further to mention that you will find one single basis for challenge in Article 11, and so therefore you could mention Article 11. So that's the challenge I was referring to. In Article 11.1 of the model law, you can challenge the appointment of an arbitrator based on their nationality if the parties had agreed, for instance, that certain nationalities will be excluded.